Hi guys, in this video how to write a sentence or line in one cell. So first I write a sentence is on. So we can select this cell and go to home. Here we can see that a wrap text symbol. So click here. So they are automatically adjust the sentence in one cell. The other method and the second one is we put the cursor and adjust the sentence according your own choice. So like I have moved cursor this like this, and we can press alt enter. Here we can see that they are adjust, and then alt enter. So here we can see that a sentence is adjust in one cell by pressing the alt enter.